past the fields where the old barns lean, lived a ghost in gray no one could tame or see. Scarred up face and a fighter stance, every step like he'd survived his last chance. Neighbors called him the Gladiator, and no one ever argued later. We took in strays no one else would keep, broken and bruised, some too wild, too deep. Gave him a home, gave him a name, but he'd come through like a force of pain. Claws and fury, gone by dawn, left our best cats barely hanging on. He was the gladiator, king of the night. Every scar told a story of a hard-won fight. Never trusted hands, never stayed long, just a shadow passing through where he belonged. You don't live that long out there alone, without a heart carved hard as stone. Yeah, he paid the price for every mile, the gladiator, wild and exiled. One cold call said you better come. I think that old boy is finally down. I pulled in slowly, tried to get near, but he rose up strong through the pain and fear. Swollen head and a limping stride, still found a way to run and hide. We fed the wild ones through the snow, little shelters where the cold can't go. Old greenhouses, barns next door. He'd find a place through every storm. Every spring we'd say, not this time, then he'd show up, still to find time. He was the gladiator, worn but alive. Every breath there's a will to survive. Eyes going dim, body torn apart, still that same fire in a weathered heart. You don't walk through years like that without becoming more than just a cat. Yeah, he carried every battle scar, the gladiator, just who you are. Then one day Thea held the line, sat with him slowly, gave him time. Months went by, touch by touch, till the wild gave way just enough. Now he's lying on a quiet floor, don't fight as he did before. Other cats pass, he growls low, like he's saying, this is all I know. We just smile and let him be. Easy now, you're safe, we say gently. He's a gladiator, but different now. Still got the scars, still wears the crown. From barnyard nights to a home at last. A long hard road and a lifetime past. Don't know how long he's gonna stay, but he made it here in his own hard way. And if strength is measured by what you've been through, the gladiator, there's none like you. Out in the wild or here at home, some fighters never lay it down. They just find a softer ground.